Hello, my name is Neelanjan Garg and we are the students of Vellore Institute of Technology. Today we are going to present our presentation on our project hand gesture recognition using EMG signal. Our professor coordinator is Professor Yogesh Kumar Choukiker. Our group number is 7 and my registration number is 18B0623.
Hello, my name is Yash Maheshwari and I am the second group member. My registration number is 18BEC0205. This is the project which we are doing under the course Technical Answers to Real World Problems with the course code ECE-3999. The objective of this project is to develop better machine learning algorithms, upgrade existing methodology by feature extraction, improve detection techniques by using various machine learning models, and to acquire accurate EMG signals in order to develop an accurate hand gesture recognition system. We'll be using the major machine learning algorithms which we'll be using in this project are multiple linear regression model, linear discriminant analysis, and principal component analysis. In the final stage of the project, a detailed comparison of the accuracy of these models will be analyzed. Some information about the machine learning algorithms are first, the multiple regression model is basically a regression model in which we predict the output of a continuous values of the data. I'll move on to the code part. Okay, so here we have three codes which are of multiple linear regression, PCA, and LDA. In multiple linear regression, the output is predicted. First, we have to train our data on the training set, and then we predict the output on the test set, and we compare the outputs with the actual values and determine the accuracy of the model. PCA and LDA are basically two machine learning algorithms which are used to reduce the dimensionality of the data. So the working of these models is like suppose we have I'll show you the data and then you can understand it better. Suppose this is the data which we have extracted from the sensors, and this first the EMG signal data was these are the feature which were extracted from the EMG signals. So as you can see, root square zero order movement, root square second order movement, fourth order movement, sparseness, irregularity, and waveform. So these are the features which were extracted. So basically what LDA and PCA does is that, as you can see, there are so many features which will be predicting the final value of our project, which is whether which gesture was required, gesture 1, 2, 3, or 4. So what these algorithm does is it basically reduces it basically combines the any two of any like multiple form of features which affect the machine output of the algorithm in the same way. So it basically considers them one and distinguishes the other features extracted. The difference between PCA and LDA is that LDA is generally more accurate because it maximizes the difference between the two features which we'll be using, and it will reduce the dimensionality, and then between the features extracted, it will search for the maximum difference. So we have executed these programs beforehand so that it does not take the computational power, it does not use the computational power time again, and we can present it. So basically what we'll do is we are comparing the accuracy of our models using the confusion matrix which we got by predicting the output values while running the different algorithms. Confusion matrix is a very helpful method to predict how our models are performing. So as you can see, the diagonal elements of a confusion matrix represent how the correctness of the model. So suppose the 25 of prediction here means that the model was correctly predicted the gesture as the first gesture, and the actual value was also first gesture. Here we see some discrepancy in the data. This means that the multiple linear regression model was not that accurate at all. Moving on, this is the matrix, which confusion matrix, which we get by the PCA algorithm. So as you can see, in this case, it is also not that accurate, but it is more accurate than the matrix which we got from multiple regression model. And this finally is the model, the confusion matrix, which we get by LDA. And as you can see, this method is most accurate as we only get one wrong prediction by in a set of 100 testing data values. So by this, we can conclude that LD algorithm is the most accurate model which we got by training our data. Uh, okay, so that was our presentation, and we can finally conclude that the on trying certain machine learning algorithms, we get these outputs, and we can compare the accuracy of these models. Okay, so this was our project, and we would like to present a major thank you to Mr. Yogesh Kumar Choukiker for giving us the opportunity to work on this interesting project and and increase our knowledge in the field of machine learning. We conclude our
Thank you.
presentation here. Thank you.